let me show you how this works with the smart wiring. Now that we produce the wires here in the rails, we have the wire cart and we have smart wiring. I'm going to take here the very first one out, and it's basically just unlocking the wire rail here, and I can take the first wire, check it out. It's going to tell me exactly from where to where it goes. So it goes exactly from TB317. So TB317 is right there. I can see here 17. It has to be, and you can see it here, it's actually the fourth connection, so I can't really go wrong. And then from there, I'm going to go actually to CR4A1. CR4A1, which is right there. And A1, if I want to see exactly where it is, it's actually the bottom one. So it's kind of easy to actually do this. This one will require me to screw in the wire. So I'm just going to screw it in very quickly. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit of a pressure, pulls in perfectly. That's good. Whoops. In this case, my mistake. I was not deep enough to actually get it. So I'm just going to do it again here. So I love these push-ins, right? Because you can't go wrong. You just push them in and you don't have any problems. So let's just put this in here. I'm going to confirm I installed these two, jumps to the next one. Next wire is exactly, and it's actually printed, as you can see here, it's printed on the wire. So I can also read here and confirm that this is exactly what I want. So this one is TB316.4. So the next one next door, 16.4. And it's going to go to, so I place this one, it's going to go on CR3A1. So same kind of the position, but on CR3. So I'm just going to squeeze it in again here nicely and tight. There we go. Has to go in. Somebody probably already played around with the screws, because they're all closed. So somebody must have screwed them. So now it's good, perfect. So, and the nice thing, if I'm just going to show you here very quickly, these two blue wires, you will see they actually are perfectly in line. If I actually show you like this, you can see here how the wires go perfectly in, and they perfectly match in terms of length. So there's no extra length for these wires. The routing in E-plan was just calculated perfectly. And of course now I can go to the next one, just finish up the whole panel and I'll be done.